I'm in historic Buford, Georgia, and the home behind me has just received a remarkable transformation. It's been renovated from top to bottom. It's an amazing story, and it all begins with White Oak Renovations, who made this dream home a reality. Let's check it out.
Let's begin by taking a look at this home before the renovation. This beautiful historic home is well over 100 years old. The design and detail, it comes from another era.
This home was built, we believe, right around 1875 here in Buford. So the homeowner's vision for the home and their goals, they had been looking at homes for over a year. They had some very specific wants. We came across this piece of property, and really what they wanted to do is maintain the character and the age of the home as much as they could, while we were able to update things like energy codes, the functionality of kitchens, things of that nature where they could live comfortably, but at the same time feel like they still had a lot of the late 1800s era within the living space.
So an effort was made to keep old floors and wood trim. And when that wasn't possible, new flooring was chosen to blend with the existing floors. In addition, salvaging original wood and decorative pieces were essential to this project. These elements were repurposed and brought back to life throughout the home.
You know, this project was kind of scary, you know, and so we would not have tackled a project this size with 5 kids. And I was expecting our 6th during the renovation. We wouldn't have tackled it if we had not known that we could trust everyone at White Oak and helping to create a home, you know, for us, one that we've always wanted and dreamed of. So.
With White Oak and Finn in particular, you know, we felt really comfortable knowing that they were going to be able to come in and kind of see what we wanted to do. And with Kristen's vision, they brought a lot of that to life.
As a little girl, I always wanted a window seat. And so, you know, now that God has given us 2 little girls, my dream for them was that they have a window seat in their room. And so that was important to us that we build that out. And then we incorporated the stained glass window from the master bedroom in that room. And, you know, it wasn't easy figuring out all those details, but so worth it. You know, now you walk in and you're just like, this is so amazing and just so beautiful and just exactly what I wanted for sure for my girls. So.
Wow, now what's this room?
This is going to be their little girls' room, and honestly, this is one of my favorite, Dan. This is one of the rooms we were able to keep the original hardwood flooring of the home, and to me, it's just got so much character and looks so nice. We did refinish it, but you can still tell it is original. One thing that we do in our process is everybody that we use, our contractors, are true craftsmen at their own trade. That helps us tremendously. And first step with anything like this is getting rid of everything you don't want and uncovering what you need to see. We started that process, and boy, that's where the surprises came out. So we really had to stop, re-engineer a lot of sections of the home that really nobody could see of over 120 years of construction going on.
Security of knowing this is a group and a team that has done this before. They do a great job. They have a lot of great people that put the details in that you want and bring that to life. And seeing you know, all the pieces of the old house that we were able to save.
Also, to provide additional living space upstairs, architect Ross Piper was brought in to design bedrooms and a bathroom for the owner's children.
So this was the space when we came up, it was just a typical attic. They had cut a lot of the rafters and supports, so when we uncovered the paneling that was on the walls, we realized there was really no structure left up here. So we came through and completely had to stop and re-engineer this entire floor of the home.
So you've got a couple bedrooms up here. What are these? Oh wow, what are these bedrooms? This is awesome.
Dan, let me tell you, one of my favorite 2 rooms in the home. So these will be for the boys, and who doesn't want a loft, right? Yeah. So when we reframed this area of the home, this was actually the homeowner's idea for their boys. we were able to double the size of this room. We had such high ceilings to the roof line, so we were able to kind of give them twice the area. So they're going to have beds up there and then study and play down below.
So what is this room? The master?
Here we are in the master, absolutely. We actually expanded this room a little bit, expanding the foundation to give them room to fit in a nice closet and master bathroom. But again, we were able to keep the original hardwood floors in this room, lacing in newer floors for the expansion. And one of my favorite elements in the third room of this home as well is the original fireplace.
Oh, beautiful.
Master bathroom, another area the homeowners did a wonderful job with their selection. So although everything is new, really kept in with character of the older home with the designer tile. The tub actually was in another part of the home. This is an original tub to the home where we had refinished. So again, bringing an original element of this house and incorporating it in a space as new and nice as the master.
There's a lot of pride and commitment that went into this project, not only to meet expectations, but surpass them every step of the way. White Oak Renovations was the company of choice to tackle this unique project. Detail, quality, craftsmanship are all words that come to mind as I walk through this house.
They really care about helping your dreams, come to life and setting expectations, realistic expectations. We definitely would recommend White Oak.
There was a real commitment to keeping the old historic integrity of this home, all while building in fresh new conveniences. And now it's simply perfection. This home was once a dream, but now it's a reality.